If you're looking for something unique and personal to give a loved one this Valentine's Day, why not make a Victorian love token? Also called a puzzle purse, this paper beauty unfolds to reveal illustrations and romantic messages to your loved one. I'm still thinking about Robert Eggers' Nosferatu, so I'm drawing inspiration from that movie for my love token. All you need for this project is a piece of paper and something to draw or write with. Start with a square piece of paper, thin enough that it's easy to fold, but thick enough that you won't see through the writing on the other side. Fold the paper into thirds. This is easier if you measure out the sections before folding. If you have a bone folder or something similar, that will make it easier to get crisp edges. Rotate the paper 90 degrees and fold into thirds again. Bring one corner to meet its opposite and create a diagonal fold. Do the same with the other two corners. Flip the paper over and bring the upper right-hand corner to meet the lower left-hand corner of the central square. Crease the fold only on the right side. Rotate the paper and repeat this step until you've completed all four corners. Flip the paper over and slowly gather the folds the way you creased them. The center should naturally interlock. Fold a flap down, then the one next to it to cover the tip, and so on, tucking the last flap into the pocket you've created. Once everything's folded, you can begin to decorate. I like starting from the outside and drawing in each section as I unfold it. Thinking about Nosferatu, I want to include some of the imagery from the movie, like lilacs and rats, and then some classically spooky motifs like bats and moons. Once you get to the inside, write some secret messages to the recipient. I'm including quotes from the movie. I'm adding a couple muted colors in a restricted palette to mimic the desaturated look of Nosferatu. The final step is to go over everything in ink. There is so much room for creativity with this project. Let me know in the comments what you thought of Nosferatu and if you're going to try this project. As always, keep in touch and happy crafting.